Draw the image of object A under a rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the origin. The origin is at 0, 0. So still remember the rotation image that I mentioned in another video. The distance of all points of the object to the center of rotation is same as the distance of the image to the center of rotation. Meaning that from a point of the object, I draw a line to the center of rotation. The center is at 0, 0, the origin. And from that point, from that line, I have to rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise is in this way. So 90 degrees, then you can use a protractor to measure 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is here. So the corresponding point is at here because the distance from the point to the origin is same as the corresponding point to the center of rotation, the origin. And for the next point, I draw a line to the center of rotation as well. I measure 90 degrees, that is anti-clockwise also. So 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And the distance is the same, the distance here. So this is the corresponding point of the image, and that's the last point of the object. Draw the line to the center of rotation as well. You measure 90 degrees and draw a line. So this is the last point, and you connect the line, connect the points, and label it as A prime. So this triangle here, rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise about the origin.